Hi, I'm Jim with the Industrial Automation and Controls Division here at Hunt Electric. We are an industrial service and manufacturing division with an emphasis on surface and underground mining. Today I'm going to walk you through one of our control vans. So we start with a 53-foot semi-trailer. We'll come in and refurbish this trailer inside and out. We'll put in a 3/4 inch tongue and groove floor. We'll install a metal door here, and outside, if you'll notice, it has a fold-up platform with removable stairs and handrails. Then back in the front of the trailer, we build a new wall, and this will incorporate a 5-ton HVAC system that will keep this area climate controlled and dust free. And then up front, the next thing we do is we install our 2-post patented lift system. This lift system's designed to lift a 6 by 9 foot by 7 foot tall cab up to above the trailer height. This is for an operator's station to oversee his plant. Let's go up into the cab. You can see now at this level, the operator has a 360-degree view of whatever plant he's in. We have 2 consoles here. They're stainless steel. They have push poles that are illuminated for all the equipment that he has in his plant. These are all tied to a PLC. The PLC remotely communicates with a PLC downstairs in the motor control area. This affords us the ability to program his plant for any startup sequence or shutdown sequence and any interlocking that he needs. So back down here, we have the motor control. This is Allen Bradley, a NEMA rated motor control. It has the advantage of being able to isolate any motor one at a time and lock them out for safety. These motor controls are then connected to gutters underneath the trailer with pin and sleeve plugs for every motor that he has in the plant. So essentially what a customer can do is pull his van in here to a project. He'll lift the tower, he'll plug in his supply voltage, he'll plug in all his motor controls, and then his plant's up and running. And it's designed for one person to be able to do it with ease.